Hey guys, welcome back to Pure Nature. Today I'm going to make a skin whitening and anti-aging rice cream. So let's get started. So the main ingredient is white rice. White rice used as a natural beauty treatment for thousands of years in Japan and Korea. Rice also helps to hydrate, moisturize and protect your skin from several skin diseases. For that, you firstly have to take white rice. Then you have to wash it with the help of water. White rice is high in minerals such as calcium and iron. It is also rich in vitamins. After washing the rice, soak it for 1 hour. Now you have to take a pan and then add 1 cup of water in it along with the soaked rice. Now put it on heat and cook it until it becomes thick and mushy. This rice cream will whiten your skin complexion, promote cell growth, stimulates blood flow and keep your skin smooth and bright. It also helps to heal acne and cools the redness of an outbreak. Now you have to strain this overcooked rice with the help of strainer and take out all the rice paste out of it. This is a Korean inspired rice cream. You can easily prepare it at your home. After straining, I am going to add aloe vera gel and add rose essential oil. After adding aloe vera gel and rose essential oil, the rice cream is ready and it looks like this. You can store this rice cream in refrigerator for up to 10 to 15 days. If you like this video, so share this video, do like and comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for never miss any updates. For now, bye bye.